about you, but I'm tired of winter, so let's go get out of this. So make sure you stay along for the ride. We're gonna have lots of fun adventures in store on the Norwegian Escape, so check us out. What do you think of Tortola?
We just got off the ship and it started pouring rain.
Bruh, it's raining.
Yeah.
We literally just got off the ship. In fact, you can still see it on the side over here. And it started raining, so we got the ponchos. Then it stopped, so we took them off. Then it started raining, so we're just gonna make the best of it, right?
Yeah.
We went to hop in a cab and to go to Tortola on Beef Island, which is a funny name.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
It's extremely windy and rainy today, but they're all making the best of it. Me, on the other hand, taking shelter.
Bad help.
I don't know how you're not cold.
Look at me. I got wet by Anakin flying out of an ocean at me. Like literally look. You literally go thrown like up in the sky.
You got no legs?
But you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dane.
That's no name.
What do you think of this beach?
Really nice.
Beautiful, eh? Can I get 2 Sprites and 2 pina coladas? Yes. No, with rum. What are we gonna do after this?
Go back in the pool.
Back in the pool? Back in the sand?
Ocean.
Tortola. We're heading back to the Norwegian Escape. Thanks for joining us. It ended up being a much better day than we thought it was going to be, right? We got some rain in, but overall, you saw, the beach was gorgeous. Now we're going to just check out some of the shops and call it a day. See you in the next one.
Bye.